Yes, children, we are given that this biquadratic polynomial is divided by x square minus 2x plus k. Now see, for the first time we are going to have a divisor which is unknown. The remainder comes out in the form of x plus a. We have to find the value of this a and k. But we will start with the normal division that we do. X square is here, x4 is required. So it will be multiplied by x square. It will be multiplied by x square, so we get x4. Then this minus 2x multiplied by x square minus 2x cube, and k multiplied by x square gives you kx square. Now here k is any real number, right? So this is going to be cancelled. Change of sign. Minus 6 plus 2 gives you minus 4. Change of sign. So it gives you 16 minus k. So it is plus 16 minus k, and x square I am taking common. So it is 16 minus k square. Rest of the terms as it is, that is minus 25x plus 10. Same logic we shall use. X square is there, we need minus 4x cube. So let us multiply it by minus 4x. So minus 4x cube, change of sign, cancel. Minus 2x into minus 4x gives you plus 8x square. Fine. And k into minus 4x gives you minus 4kx. So it will come here. Change of sign. Now see, I'm going to solve this part here separately. So it is 16x square minus kx square and then minus 8x square, right? 16 minus 8 will give you 8x square minus k square, and you may take 8 minus k in the bracket and x square outside. So solving this, we shall get 8 minus k into x square. Let us solve this part as well. Minus 25 plus 4k. So I am taking positive term first, 4k, and then minus 25. X is common from both the terms, and this plus 10 as it is. Okay, beta. Now x square is there and you need 8 minus kx square. So x square will be multiplied by 8 minus k. So you will get 8 minus kx square. Change of sign, this will go. Now minus 2x into 8 minus k. Minus 2x into 8 minus k. This will become minus 16x and minus minus plus 2k. So you are getting from here 2kx, right? So you can take x common. So it will be minus 16 plus 2kx. So I can write it as plus 2k minus 16x, and then when k will be multiplied by this, it will be 8k minus k square. Alright. Now change of sign will be here. Solving this part. See beta, it is 4k minus 25 minus 2k, and when you open the bracket, minus minus will become plus 16. So it is 2k minus 9. So we shall get 2k minus 9 multiplied by x. And all these terms will be treated as constant, obviously with change of sign. So we shall have plus 10 minus 8k, minus minus makes it plus. Now here the degree of divisor is 2 and the degree of remainder is 1, so we cannot continue further. As you know, remainder has to be less than divisor. Now remainder is given to be x plus a. So whatever we have obtained here will be equated there. So this implies 2k minus 9 x plus k square minus 8k plus 10 is equal to x plus a. Now this x plus a can be put as 1x plus a. So comparing, when you compare coefficient of x, this side it is 2k minus n and this time it is 1. So this gives me 2k minus 9 is equal to 1. Solving it, 2k is equal to 10, k is equal to 5. So I have got value of k. Now to get value of a, you have constant here is this entire term, k square minus 8k plus 10, and this is equal to a. Put k is equal to 5 here in this equation, you will get the value of a also. Try this question again and again till the time you are comfortable. Thank you.